What's up everybody, I'm Brian from I Want Tesla and I want to give you a little update today on what's been happening in the garage, what's been happening to the channel, what I have coming up, and I need your help a little bit too. So what's been happening is I've been doing a lot of wraps here. I've kind of overbooked myself a little bit, so I've been really working on these wraps to get these wraps done. And thank you to everyone that's been contacting me. I'm scheduling out into middle or end of August right now, but it's been nice to have this garage space. The new flooring in here is working wonderfully. The air conditioning is killer because it's been very, very hot lately, and I've been able to work in here very comfortably. This one's done right now. I have one sitting out in the garage, in the driveway. That person's on vacation, they're picking up tomorrow. This one's going out tomorrow. And then I just got another one in yesterday, another card for another wrap. And I'm gonna show you those. I'm gonna show you this one as well. This color pops a little bit. I'm changing the color on here, hopefully, so you don't really know what color it is. But I have some cool stuff coming up. I have a very big trip coming up in August. I'm leaving the beginning of August to drive to California. From Charlotte, North Carolina, all the way to California. I'm going to the Tesla Takeover event. There's 3,000 people, it should be there, maybe more, I don't know. But there's gonna be a lot of people, and it's at the Madonna Inn in San Luis Obispo, something. I'll have the link down below. I'll have it popped up here on the screen here. It's going to be a fun day. It's the 5th. If you can make it there, if you're in California, Vegas, in that area, you need to go to this. This thing is going to be so much fun to meet with people. There's going to be a bunch of YouTubers there, Tesla Joy, Tesla Raj, Andy Sly, myself. We're the ones on the east side of the country, and I'm driving out. I don't know if he's driving out, but hey, Andy, if you want, I can pick you up. I think you're in Louisville. I can pick you up and we can do the whole drive across the country thing together, kind of like Tommy Boy. Hopefully we don't hit a deer and put it in the back seat or anything, but it's going to be a lot of fun. But my question is, what should I do while I'm out there? I'm going out for the 5th. The Friday we're going to be there. There's a meet and greet with us, and there's some other YouTubers. Sandy Monroe's going to be there. I don't have the thing in front of me, but you can see on the screen here. What else should I do while I'm out there? This is north of LA, not all the way up into San Francisco, but what else is cool to do out there? Who should I go see? I think I'm going to be taking the southern route to my brother's house again in Phoenix, stay the night there, and then head up, be there for Friday for the event. So on the way back, I'm kind of open. I may go to Colorado to see my buddy Kyle from Out of Spec Motoring, and that might be kind of fun. But before I do all that, I want to thank today's sponsor, and that is Hanshow. You guys know I work with Hanshow quite a bit. I help come up with some products, and I actually promote them quite often, as you know. Well, they're having a summer deal sale, and it's 20% off anything over, I think, $80. So use my code IWantTesla and get 20% off of anything on their website, whether it's the screen, automatic door handles, or automatic doors. I got those doors that open up automatically. There's a lot of new products that they have coming out that I'm in the process of testing, and will be out shortly. I do have some of those videos coming out. It's not just rap videos, so don't worry. But yes, Hanshow, 20% off, summer deals. Look them up. I'll have links down below. Use my code IWantTesla. It helps out the channel, but it also helps out you to get 20% off. That's huge. They have awesome accessories, whether you want real carbon fiber, or you want accessories for the interior, exterior, screen tilt, just you name it, they probably make it. And that's the cool thing. There's other companies that sell these parts, but they don't make anything. Hanshow actually develops parts, and there's actually a really cool thing coming out that they're developing that I'm gonna get first dibs on. So that's why I love Hanshow. They're not just reselling what other people make. They're actually making the products. So take a look down below, click the link. Thank you, Hanshow, for sponsoring this video. 20% off, I Want Tesla. So down below, let me know what you want me to go see. When I went out for the Cybertruck event, I drove my Model 3 all the way out there. It was cool because I had a bunch of people asking me, hey, come, if you have time, come here, come see this car show, come see this place. You know, what do you want to see as far as on a channel? I can film something, I can record, and we can do a video series of something. Do you want to see my drive out there? Do you want to see the individual stops? Do you want to see well, not data, because it's going to cost me nothing, because thank you, free supercharging miles. I don't have to pay for anything, which one of the reasons why I'm driving. Second of all, I love driving across the country. It's really fun. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to go with my wife, Karen. She is still home right now. She's getting better, and I will have an update to that car soon. But she's going to be going back to work here in, I think, 2 weeks, and she won't have the time off to go with me. So it's just me driving across the country and having a blast with you guys, meeting you guys at Superchargers. I will be posting where I'm going to be going at Superchargers. I do know the Phoenix crew out there. I met them a couple times at different times I was out there, and I will be posting when I go to that Supercharger so we can meet up again. And you know, we can do that across the country, different places. So I might even post which hotel I'm staying at, so maybe people can meet up there, and we can hang out in the lobby. Hey, by the way, any hotels want to sponsor that, you know, because it's going to be expensive. It's not going to be just a 2-day trip. It's going to be a pretty long trip. A lot of nights in a hotel. Yes, thank you, my brother. He's going to let me stay at his place, but yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun though. Our Plaid Model S is still in the body shop. It is being worked on. We're waiting for parts. They tore it all apart. I have some pictures. They won't let me film anything there, but he was the tech who's working on the car or organizing everything. He has taken some pictures for me as they tore things apart to see what the damage was. Miraculously, it's not a huge amount of damage for someone that hit us at 50 miles an hour. But the bad thing is I'm not allowed to film anything, and I understand because there's other insurance related things in there. But I will be having an update soon on that. We are waiting for parts. Thank you, Tesla. By the way, Tesla, if you have an extra crash bar, that's what we're waiting on. Please send it out to Hendrick in Charlotte, the Hendrick Luxury Auto Collision. That's really the only part we're waiting for, and they can't start it because that is welded on, and you can't start and stop welding, is what they said. It'll be on the jig. Anyway, Tesla, if you don't send it out, I'm probably not going to have the car for another 4 months. But so far, it's taken a long time, but I will have a complete update once I hear more from them. But yeah, let me know what you want me to do for this trip. Let me know if you want me to, I'll let you know if I'm coming through your area. Follow me on Twitter or Instagram, and then if you see me at the event, come say hi, because you know what I look like, but I don't know what you look like. Well, I know what some of you look like, but I don't know what all of you look like. But get to the event. Order tickets, get there. I'm going to be a guest speaker along with some of the others, and we're going to be talking about YouTube and whatever fun stuff, aftermarket stuff, wraps, whatever you want to talk about. But until then, I got to get a bunch of wraps done. So thanks for watching. As always, stay awesome, stay positive, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.